Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. As-salatu wa-salam ala Rasulillah. In this part, I want to show you how we can assemble our structure. This part 3, or in my course, how we can model a 3D space frame in SolidWorks program. Okay, I want to just open a new file, and I will choose assembly. Just click OK. From here we can choose the components that we have. We have ball, we have these 4 parts that we created before. So just open them and click one by one like this. Okay, so if I go to top view, I will see like this. I don't want like this. I want to this is build my top view, so I will choose side view and right click here, expand it more, set current view as top view. Yes, I want to change it. Okay guys, that's very good. Everything is okay. I want to make mats, so it will fix the components in the with its lines. For example, this one, I have this one. I can make sure that center lines are exist, hidden lines are exist also so I can choose them. Okay, let me start from the pipes. If we go to top view, you see this is the smaller pipe and this is the larger pipe. So I want to make mats, but before I start to make mates, I want to fix this space frame in its place. So just right click here and fix. So I don't want to move this grid for later stages. Okay, so we use mate. From here, just click here and select the line, and after that, the second thing, select the center line of this line. As you see now, we have a mate, so it's okay. For now, if I close this one, for now, I can move in this in X direction, but in Y direction I cannot move it because I make a mate, which is the same thing with a line in AutoCAD. Okay, but this one is better because I cannot move it. Okay, so how can I fix the X direction, because it should not be moved in any direction? But I think this the smaller for here. I think this is too small, so I choose a wrong pipe. I have to choose that pipe. So I come here and go to mats, and here I can right click delete this one. So this pipe is not to be made here. It should be another pipe. Okay, so again go to mat. From this one here, I'm sorry for this, because I select this one and made from line, and the second thing is the center line of that pipe, not this one. Okay, as you see now it's okay. So just click here, yes, close this mate. Again the same procedure. I can move it in X direction, but in Y direction not. Okay, I can move it in X direction, but in Y direction, as I said, no. Yeah. Okay, so I did this one, but I need another mate. So I want to fix also in X direction. It's pretty easy. I want to make another mat here. From here, yeah, I select the face. No, I want to delete the face. I want to from this point to that face here to that face. As you see, it will fix like this, but I want to give it a distance. As we said, our ball was 100, so I will make this one 50 millimeters. Okay, so it's to be centered between these two. Now if you look at here, yeah, it's centered. Now I cannot move it in X and Y direction, just I can rotate them. As you see, if you notice that, just it rotates. Okay guys, so it's very good. What I want to do, I want to copy this pipe. Okay, you first click, I want to copy this pipe. How can I copy it? How can I can copy it, or I can bring it another one. We can copy with mates. Okay, from the pipe to this. Yeah, the pipe is copy with mates. Okay, I'm sorry, not copy with mates. I go back to this point. Anyhow, from this point to this center, I want to put again. I just make undo. That's why I have to put again. Okay, so that's very good. I want another pipe with this dimension, so insert component. I want to this pipe. Yes, of course we can copy this pipe. It doesn't need every time. We can go to here and bring it another one. As you see, it needs some time, so I can copy. Okay, I will show you how we can copy this. Okay, so I have this 4 pipes for this one. As you see, we have one of them, and two, the second, third, and fourth. We will make these mates also. I select this line and make mate with this one. Yeah, finish. Close this one. Again, by using the same procedure, I can select this point, go to mate, and the second phase is this phase. As you see, now I can give it a distance by 50 millimeters and click. Yeah, that's very good. Again, select this one for mate and this center line. Okay, this point to this face. Again, distance which is 50. Right, I have this one and this center. Let me choose the larger one. Yes, this. Okay, and again I can select this point to that face. Yeah, again the same thing by a distance which is 50. Okay, that's very good. So we have 4 pipes now, and we can close this one first. We can copy this one 4 times, so we can get this 4 diagonal. Let me see it from here. Is better. Yeah, and these diagonal bars, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for now I will use the second technique to copy parts, as I made before, just by inserting every time components. But now I want to copy this one. How can I get copy? I can click here and press Ctrl key and just drag it like this. And you want to, how many copies you want, you can make the copies. Okay, after that I can select this one, go to mate, and this center line. Okay, that's good. Finish. And again select this point to that face, give it a distance by 50 millimeters, which is 5 centimeters. I think I have some problem. Okay, no problem, I'll solve it. I'll select this one, go to made in assembly. As you see, this 50, but just let me go to edit feature. It's 50, but flip dimensions. We have to flip dimensions, so it gives take from this side. Okay, so just click here. By the way, again, the same procedure from here to here, and let me finish the rest from here to here. What's the point? From here to here. Select this line to make the second one is this center line, so finish. Select this one and this center line, finish, and select this one and this center line and go to finish. Now I'll solve the rest of things. Okay, as we know, from this point to which face we have, yeah, to this face we have, give it a distance by 50, finish, and from this point to this face again we have to give it a distance 50, but again the same procedure. We have to fill up dimension like this, finish. Again for this one we have to fill up dimension, so just select, close this one, just select this one, select this pipe just to be here. So this is our pipe. Go to made assembly, this constraint, no, this one by distance, so edit feature, edit feature and flip dimension so it get the right position. Again the same thing from this point we have made from this point to this one. Again give it a dimension 5. I think it needs, again it needs flip dimensions, yes, flip dimensions, and click OK. So let me close this one, go to top view, and we can zoom here like this, and we get we get this type of structure that just the only thing is remains the ball. So I will bring you the ball, but by the way let me go towards the ball. Yeah, if you look at here, let me go to top view. This axis is not located in the middle of the ball, so I have to solve this problem. How can I solve it? By here, and I can edit sketch, save and continue. Yes, I want to save it, space frame assembly, save. Okay, just I say I want to save the file, and after that I can go to the side view. Here we see this is the center, or let's say XY axis, and this is not in the middle, so I have to move this entity just by selecting here, and from here we have move entity from this point to this point, and we solve this problem. Now is very good. So I can use this one. I can select this point. Oh, let me go to assembly first. I can select this point, go to mate, and for the second point is the center of this ball. Let me close first. This is the ball. Let me first see how many made. Yeah, click here to mate, and this point. What's the problem? I think I have a problem. I want to close first. Okay, no problem. I don't know what's the problem. I can delete this one. Yes, I can bring it again. So insert component from browse, and ball connection. Here we have this one, and now we can select this point, go to mate. Another point is this one. Now we can mate this one. So just click by clicking here. I'm sorry. Yeah. You see, we have this type of ball connection, but the only thing that remains that we have to copy or we have to arrange this pipe, because you see this goes inside the ball, so it's impossible to make this some things like this. We can make the ball a little bit smaller by edit part, and by clicking here, and from revolve I can go to sketch and edit sketch. As you see, let me go to top view. So I think it's better, or not. No, it should be side view. So yes, as you see, it's like this. We can make smaller if it's too. For example, let's say not 55. Let's say 50. Yeah, I think 52 is okay. As you see here, I will cut this, no problem. Again, we have no problem if it's 55. It's the same procedure, but I want to make this 52. Okay, the same procedure. It doesn't matter. Okay, now I have to cut this 3. I can go to change it to this one, to this type of presentation, and from features, what I want to make a plane, or a reference geometry, which is a plane. As you see, we have to select 2 edges. First, let me select this edge, and the second, let this one. Yeah, now I think it's perpendicular with that, so it's very good. Is this the same procedure for the rest? Again, reference planes, this one. I'm sorry, I think I choose one edge by mistake. This edge and this edge, plane. Okay, as you see, plane number 2. Oh no, this plane is mistake. Reference planes, this plane and this plane. Yes, finish. So we have this plane, and for this one I think we did. Now let's make this one with this edge and this edge. No, I think it's invalid. So this let's say this edge and this edge. Secondary reference. The first one is this. Or let me close this one. Ball connections. We have this plane. Is it correct or not? I'm sorry. Where is that here? here. This plane, yes, is correct. We don't have any problem with this plane. Plane number 2, no, it's a mistake, so we'll delete this one. Yes, plane number 3, yeah, plane number 3 is okay. It remains just only one plane, so I want to make another plane here. Plane, let me change it to this one, so I can click here, and I don't know what's the problem. I want to make plane from this edge, and the second is here. Yeah, now it's okay. So finish again. So we have 3 planes, and from this plane we can go to sketch and sketch a circle. From here we want to make a big circle, and finish, go to features, go to extrude cut. Okay, it should extrude out, sorry. Select the contours, just we want to finish first, and we see, let me change back the presentation type to this one. As you see now, it cut only the ball. Again, the same procedure from another plane, plane 3 maybe, yeah, from plane 3, right click, go to sketch. From this point make a big circle, okay, with feature, cut extrude, okay, and again from here, from plane number 1 now, I think, yeah, from this plane, right click, go to sketch, make from here, what is it, from this point, make a big square circle. It doesn't matter this, but it should be larger than this one, okay. The features, extrude cut, and finish. That's very good. Go to part. Oh, now that's very good. So we get the point. We get the point, guys. We could cut this one. Now everything is clear. So we get flat surface. Okay, here and here we get flat surface. Okay, that's very good, but we didn't finish yet. What remains? It remains its holes. Let me first isolate this one. Isolate. Oh, I don't have any holes. It should be hole. It should have some holes, right? So it's pretty easy. Again, from sketch, go to here, and this time just by selecting a plane here, this one. What is the center line? Yeah, it should be from the center, okay? It should be from the center, so delete this one. It should be, as we said before, it should be from this point, yeah, from the center. And just click, make a smart dimension. The diameter of this hole, as we said before, it's 16 millimeters, so it's 16, that's good. After that, go to assembly, or yeah, first say okay, and from we have to extrude this one. How we can make it just like before, yeah, by selecting this one, and where we have to go, we have to go to assembly feature, and from here extrude cut. As you see, the length of the hole you want to make hole, let's say 20 millimeters. I'm sorry, 20, enter, yeah, just click OK. Oh, thanks, forgot. We finished this one. Again, this one, sketch, circle, this. We have to use the center point, right? Again, you can use some other techniques, right? Or just by clicking here, it will gives you the center. So from the center, you can choose whatever you want, smart dimension. You can give it this a different diameter. It's up to you. After that, assembly features, cut. It's the same properties before. Click, finish. Oh, that's forgot. The third one, the same procedure. Sketch, circle. Just click here, but just drag here, and from this point, yeah. Thanks forgot. Give it a dimension, 60 millimeters. Enter. The same procedure, assembly and extrude cut. Finish. So, thanks forgot, we could get this type of ball. After that, exit isolation. Yeah, now it's very good. We have this ball, and we can copy this ball with all of its features. Okay. By the way, we of course we have to make hole on the top, so we can get put some glasses later. And this is the technique, and the rest is the same technique. For example, for here is the same technique. Now we can copy this components and make the whole structure, or we can copy this one, as you see, copy with mates. We can copy this one, this ball, because if we can copy this one, right? As you see, we don't have the holes inside, but by again, you can put it here in another place like this. This should be different one from this, because this has only 3 holes, or let's say 4 holes, because we need a hole on top. But here we have to repeat this procedure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and here by 8 times, because 1, 2, 3, 4, as you see, the horizontal one and the inclined one. So just it needs some repetition of the works. That's all. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, to share this video, and subscribe my channel. Really, I searched for it for a long time. I didn't get any video to make how we can make space frame in SolidWorks, and I think this for the first time like this video exists on YouTube, or maybe I don't found it. If you find any tutorials like this, don't forget to put a link for me below in comments. Thank you.